Hey, okay, so what's up? I've noticed there wasn't too many videos or too much information about these, so I decided to make a series of videos, I suppose you could say, about the Tascam X-48. I'm going to make some videos describing this, explaining this, how to upgrade this, how to make the best out of this machine, and also how to turn this into a MkII. How to swap things out, what pieces you'll need, and how to really make the most of this to keep this thing going for years. There's ways to make it fanless. There's ways to make it so there's no noise at all. I'm going to be making some videos explaining these different techniques. I'm going to go over some of the forums that are there, some of the people that have done some of the modifications, some of the modifications I'm going to do, what I decided to do, figuring out the RAM. I know that the board inside the iMax is kind of a really mysterious board. It seems to have very little information about it, and it's hard to really track it down. I've managed to find a few sources that explain quite a bit more about it, and I'm going to go over that. I'm going to go over some documents. I'm going to show you how to fix this thing up if you have a broken one, what features you should do, the BIOS settings, pretty much turn something that one of these old machines, like how I got, and turn it into a fixed unit, and there, stay tuned, and hope you enjoy. Coming up, take care, see you soon.